Okay, so today I'm going to be escaping this city to go to a countryside, and I'll be living in a cabin for a day. I literally got informed yesterday by my family. It was like so spontaneous, and I said yes because why not? I do have like homework. I did have like dance classes today, but it's been a while since, I left this place. And it's not even that far away. It's like 2 hours away from just like, okay. I'm also taking my laptop to like finish my homework and work there because it will be like beautiful to have like a view and design, you know? But yeah, that is the plan for today. And for the weekend, basically, I'll be coming back like tomorrow at night. So I'm going to take you on a trip with me. It's currently like almost 7 a.m. My family will pick me up like probably in like 15-20 minutes. I'm absolutely ready. I just have to have breakfast because I'm a bit hungry. But apart from that, let's enjoy this peaceful weekend and not stress about anything. Because I feel like I needed it. I just feel like I manifested this. Like, because I was telling myself I really want to just, finish all of this and just go for a day or 2 days away from this. I'm not going exactly away from this because I still have to do stuff from here, but like I'll be in a different environment, so I might be more motivated or more relaxed. Who knows? Let's find out. Ani, ¿cómo te sentís?
Mal, dije.
¿No querías ir a divertirte?
Sí.
¿Y qué más?
Explotar.
Y explotar, va a explotar.
Y vos vas a explotarte.
¿Yo voy a explotar?
Sí.
¿Cómo que yo voy a explotar?
Sí.
Oh my god, guys, I'm in love. Fall in love with this place. Like, it's so vintage and like it's actually so cozy. Because yesterday and today it was raining. It is actually very wet, but it's actually so pretty. Like, there's also a swimming pool. There's everything. This is our home for 24 hours. Good morning, guys. Yesterday, we literally, I think we slept at 12 a.m. or something like that. We just kept talking and talking and talking. I woke up at 8:30. They woke up at like so early. I was just trying to relax a bit. And we didn't have lights until now. It's like almost 10 a.m. So I'm going to make spinach omelets for everyone, basically. That's my work to do. It's time to go back. It's like 6:30 p.m. and we are like going back in a bit. It was fun until it lasted. Today I literally slept so much. Like I first of all slept in the morning and then I slept like outside on like when the sun was up because like it was so nice to be sleeping with the sun on top. It was so cozy. And then I slept afterwards, like after lunch a bit. I woke up now. I had my tea time, and now I'm here about to leave this place. I also went like inside the hen where all the chickens and all the animals were because I asked if there were rabbits because it said that there were rabbits, and I love rabbits, of course. So they were like two, like very far away, and I literally it was so fun going inside and all. They were scared of me because, of course, they don't know me, but it was actually so fun. It was one white and one black, and like they were so cute. They were actually very big. Because the ones I had, it were like small, but those were big, big. But it was so fun, very relaxing. I slept the whole day almost today and had so much fun. I also had a barbecue and now just had mate. Not gonna lie, like I would come here every single weekend to just recharge and able to survive the week.